Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we'll learn what is Python, the history of Python, and the uses of Python. And we'll install the code editor for our course. So first, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. What is a programming language? A programming language is a formal and structured system of communication used to instruct computers and other machines to perform specific tasks or computations. It serves as an intermediary between human programmers and the hardware of a computer. Programmers use programming languages to write code, which is a set of instructions that can be executed by a computer. What is the history of Python? Python was created in the late 80s and was first released in 1991. It has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. The key features of Python. Python is easy to read syntax. It has easy to read syntax. And it's a high level language. It has cross platform and extensive standard library and large community and ecosystem. What are the uses of Python? Python is used in various domains including web development, which programmers use Django and Flask for it. What about data science and machine learning? Programmers use NumPy and Pandas for machine learning and data science. Automation and scripting, scientific computing, and game development, which programmers use Pygame. Desktop application, which programmers use Kinter. Python's popularity. Python consistently ranks as one of the most popular programming languages. Its versatility, ease of use, and vast community contribute to its widespread adoption. Now we will know how to install the code editor for our course. So first we will search VS Code because we will use VS Code for our course. We will download it. I'm just waiting for it. Here's VS Code. We will press VS Code here. We will press download. For my case, I will use Windows. This is how to download VS Code. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.